This is the virtual number application, and what this does, it helps you to verify stuffs using stuffs like code verification or number verification. You can use these free numbers or this application here to do that as well. So you have quite a lot of numbers which you can use. These are just some disposable numbers which you can use. You can select whichever one you want to use. Let's say, for example, I want to use the Brazil number. You want to obviously copy the numbers. You can see you can tap on that icon here to pretty much copy the number for you. And once you have pretty much copied the number, you can go in the message section and pretty much see the codes that pretty much comes in. So once you have used the number, all you have to do is pretty much go in the message section here and check if you've seen your code for your respective application or website that you're using it for. Some of these codes or numbers may not work for YouTube, email, and some other stuff, because I don't remember the term that they use as to why these numbers cannot work. But yeah, not all of these gonna work, so you might have to purchase numbers to use for verification codes and so forth. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. And you can tap on the circle icon at the top here to pretty much refresh the numbers, and do make sure you do that once you're using the application and use it in one of their numbers. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. And you can